Just as he said that. Oh, he smashed the screen, did he?
Yeah,
with his face.
Yeah.
He's a tall lad. Lets the clutch biting, and then
He pulls the clutch back in. They're banging us. Oh, and I have actually made a forcefully classic turn 5 crash. Look at that. Bang, he goes down his left-hand side. Multiple barrel rolls through the double trap. That was a real nasty one. A real vicious one. For the beast.
We do what Monty the ball driver there. For the March dates, Monty very for insight, he ever say, hey, that was my problem for the last couple of years. All they shit, look at your brilliant whole fight.
Actually, Martin, the world champion, has first pretty crash for Roy Martin. His first crash as a world champion. What did you make of this one, Fabio? Yeah, maybe display. Get the front end a bit colder. You will know that in the left side of this track is always a bit tricky. And maybe at the first touch, let's listen. You see, the first touch of the throttle is very loose.